First year was quite a shocker for me also because I was like, I don't want to do maths.
यहाँ पे आके फर्स्ट ये समझा कि इट्स नॉट ऑल ग्लैमर एंड फन.
People don't sleep here.
So I started sleeping on the floor.
ओ भाई ये भी होता है निफ्ट में. Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to see all of you guys here today. Today we have a bunch of beautiful women. And before I get started, we are restarting the Campus Diary series where we take you across the world in different design colleges and actually show you what it's like studying there by talking to the students who are studying there. And today we have these beautiful girls from NIFT Hyderabad who are representing NIFT Hyderabad, their experiences studying there. Some of them are in their first year, some of them are in their second year, but it's going to be fun. So this is a complete holistic overview of NIFT Hyderabad that you can get. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Awesome. So let's go ahead and introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Anushka. I'm from Lucknow and I'm currently in my foundation year of accessory design department.
Hello everyone, this is Shravani Mahalakshmi from Hyderabad. I am in semester 4, second year, and I am from Knitwear Design Department.
Hello, I'm Sarangi and I'm from Mumbai. I'm currently in my foundation year, semester 2, and in from textile design department.
Hello, I'm Shalmali from Aurangabad, Maharashtra, and I'm currently in my foundation year, second semester from Textile Design Department.
Hello, I'm Divya and I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra, and I'm currently in foundation year, second semester, and my department is fashion communication.
Hi, myself Tanvi from Nasik, Maharashtra, and currently I'm in semester 2, and my department is fashion and lifestyle accessory design.
Wonderful. Welcome, Tanvi. Welcome, all of you guys. So excited and so grateful that you're doing this and helping other design aspirants get to take a sneak peek into what NIFT Hyderabad is all about. All right. So first things first, a lot of you are in actually your foundation year, and let's start from there. What has been the biggest sort of shocker or reality check for you when you entered NIFT Hyderabad and realized the subjects you're studying in your foundation year? What was the biggest shocker?
It was like everyone had their own specialty, everyone have their own level, so that was really hard to crack. That okay, we are not good here, we have to prepare well here and all that thing.
So you're saying competition in a sense,
Yeah,
in terms of the levels of sort of clarity or maybe the level of skill that different batchmates come with, because of
yeah,
course this is the cream of the country, right? And it makes you feel a little inferior or makes you feel a little unsure if you're doing the right thing or not, because it is competitive and design is very, very competitive as a field. Fair enough. What else?
For me,
Geometry.
soccer was geometry, same.
Yes.
Because I never thought that I still have to do geometry after school, so that was definitely a shocker.
वही तो छोड़ के आए थे, भाग के आए थे. हाँ. And then we are back to numbers again, doing those calculations, tessellations. Huh? What else?
Living far away from the family and just being yourself here. No one's going to be there for you. I think that's the realization is a bit difficult.
It is. It is. I think until 18, we are all, especially Indian kids, right? Or Asian kids in general, I feel like we are so sheltered and so well taken care of. We don't have to worry about anything, right? You're very, very chill. And then suddenly you're thrown into the world where you have to wash your own clothes, do your own dishes, and also study.
I'm in my second year right now, but first year was quite a shocker for me also because we were the first batch after lockdown, and just jumping into that hectic schedule and adjusting to this new work life routine was very hard. Because in lockdown it was not as hectic as NIFT is. So coming into that and suddenly getting so many new responsibilities. I was also the CR of my class, so that was an added responsibility also. So it was very hard adjusting, but right now I feel I'm much more comfortable with the routine. So all the first years, please don't worry, you'll surely get adjusted.
But tell me something, did none of you feel there was a stark contrast with what you had in mind while getting into NIFT versus what is actually happening? No books.
Definitely, definitely. Yeah, that was the one of the main points that was like I was completely shocked because we are used to carrying this whole load of bag on the backs and all of that, and you suddenly come here, you have one single notebook, or some people even carry just a iPad and that Apple Pencil. And the teaching process is also so different. Like it's more practical based knowledge. They take you to labs, they take you out on trips and all, and it's basically oral learning, and you have to interpret what the teacher says, and you have to write it in your own words, so the comprehension skills really get enhanced.
Also, your visual skills, right? Anushka,
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah. We start observing like every minute thing, and we think, what is this gonna look like if I draw in this way? And like they said, the geometry was a shocker for me also, because I was like, no maths from now. I don't want to do maths. And I come here, and the first day, first class was geometry. So that was quite a shocker. But I love the subjects also, the way they teach. It's really nice. It was a fresh mindset, fresh different mindset, and yeah, it's
Right.
really nice.
Good, good. So, Swarangi, tell me something. Did you at any point when you entered the textile design department or come to NIFT feel that यार मुझे तो लगा था डे वन से हमें वीविंग कराएंगे, हमें कपड़े बनवाएंगे, हमें पेंटिंग कराएंगे. Did you feel that? या पता था कि हमें ज्योमेट्री करनी है, हमें मटेरियल स्टडीज करनी है, हमें पेपर मशे करना है, ओरिगामी करनी है.
यहाँ पे आके फर्स्ट ये समझा कि it's not all glamour and fun. You have to work hard, and it starts from day one. So definitely you have to go through all the background. Like you have to learn basics first, and then you will enter your department.
Correct.
So
Correct, correct. How about you, Divya? You are a fashion communication student.
yes.
What was your first response to getting into, your department and then realizing that, अच्छा, softwares तो use ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी तो हाथ गंदे हो रहे हैं.
I did not have a lot of idea about what goes into fashion communication, honestly. Like I'm
Mm-hmm.
still exploring. But the subjects that were taught to us in Sem 1 were pretty helpful to
Mm-hmm.
set the foundation. So मुझे तो अच्छा लगा. But some subjects were like, I don't want to do this like that. Yeah.
But that's there everywhere. No? I feel like even in school, I've hated sort of chemistry all my life. So I think we all have that one subject or two subjects that we don't like. But coming from setup, especially in the Indian education system, where we are so used to using books for everything, and we are so used to mugging up information and doing this rote learning, coming to a creative world where suddenly the only thing that you need in your classes are your scissors, and you need your glue, and you need, all of those crafty things. Does that make you at any point feel that the theoretical learning is something that you miss, or do you actually enjoy this process?
We
I
actually
on
enjoy this process. Like
Yeah,
it's
Tanvi?
completely a different experience we are experiencing. If we take example of any other field, there are too many theoretical theorems and all that. But comparatively, we are actually enjoying the process of learning here and the thought processes. So
And you live in the hostel, Tanvi, right?
yeah,
What is it like before assignments in the hostel?
yeah. Our all room is totally a mess during juries, assignments, and all submissions.
Yeah, but do you all come together to help each other?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's actually
फिर
fun.
सब देख रहे होते हैं कि एक दूसरे की घुस के कि कौन क्या बना रहा
No,
है.
We
actually,
actually like
everyone helps
to,
each other.
You help each other.
Yes.
Wow. Such woke kids. Nice. So, living away from home, coming from a different, culture, and then being moved to a very different culture. Now, almost all of you, other than Shavni, everyone's from a different state, a different city. What are some things that you felt when you moved to Hyderabad in terms of both the good and the bad?
Yeah, actually, I'll say I had one of my friend. Like we got the same college, same hostel room, so it was very very easy for me to adapt to blend in together because I had her by my side.
Correct.
But the difficult thing was maybe the food. But I'll say the Hyderabad in this campus, the food is also very very good. The
Hmm.
quality is nice, but the repetitive taste, maybe it gets a bit difficult
But
to,
also in general, the kind of food you're used to eating
yeah, it's
in
very
your.
different. Yeah.
But overall, have you explored the city much? Have you gone out and explored Hyderabad?
Not very much actually. All our seniors told us this time that in the second semester, explore as much as you can because you won't be able to do that in the coming years. So maybe this semester we'll try to explore as much as we can.
Absolutely. And you must, and you must. There's so much that you get to learn, which you
Really.
can then later use in your design career, in your design
Yeah.
journey, in your designs. So,
Actually, the first semester we were stuck in like वो समझने में और अडेप्ट करने में इतना टाइम लग गया कि मतलब बाहर जाके कुछ एक्सप्लोर करो उसमें इतना टाइम ही नहीं मिला
correct, correct. और
क्योंकि
टाइम नहीं,
असाइनमेंट
निफ
हाँ
टाइम देगा भी नहीं।
देगा भी नहीं निकालना पड़ेगा
निकालना ही पड़ेगा, निफ टाइम नहीं देगा। और आज का नहीं है, वो बीसों साल से यही चलता आ रहा है, ये रीत है। हाउ अबाउट यू अनुष्का?
आई लाइक एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू प्लेसेस। तो मुझे मेरा ड्रॉप ईयर था, तो ड्रॉप ईयर के बाद जब मैं आई तो मुझे फुल ऑन न्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस के लिए एकदम बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली। तो आई एक्सप्लोर्ड, आई वेंट ऑन सोलो डेट्स, ऑन सोलो मूवी डेट्स, इधर उधर जाना, ओल्ड सिटी जाना, चार मीनार। आई हैव डन ऑल
नाइस,
दीज।
नाइस,
मेरा
वंडरफुल,
सैटरडे संडे इसी के लिए होता था कि मैं यही करूंगी। अभी थोड़ा कम हो गया बट पहले बहुत किया।
वंडरफुल। एंड हैव यू यूज्ड दोज एक्सपीरियंसेस इन योर वर्क्स लेटर?
हाँ, आई मीन व्हेन वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग अ लॉट सो बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है। लाइक व्हेन आई वेंट टू चावमल्ला, सो आई सॉ द मोटिव्स एंड ऑल द इंट्रिकेट डिजाइन एंड which I realized I could use in my designs, my personal projects. So yeah, of course.
Nice, nice. But tell me something, Shravani, you are a day boarder and you don't get to experience all of the hostel life. You don't get to really, be there in sickness and in health with your roommate because they are literally your better half until you graduate from NIFT, right? How is your experience as a day boarder? Do you feel like you're missing out, or do you feel like नहीं यार मम्मी सब संभाल लेती है घर पे, I'm happy that way?
Yeah, I would say it has both pros and cons. Just like you said, like we just had our spectrum, and the event I couldn't attend the DJ because it was getting too late and I had to come back home. But the event, everything else was really, really. We had fun. We had a blast. But there are some cons. Like I had to come back home early, and then parents get worried if I stay late. But also when the pros are like when we have a self study session, which is basically the lecture is cancelled, then I go to my hostel roommates friends rooms and we have fun there. We watch movies or then we hang out, we gossip, and then it's really nice. Like I've got really good bunch of friends who actually are happy to have me in their rooms and they're happy to let me stay. And I did miss a little bit on the nightlife, hostel nightlife, I'd say, because they say that in 2 in the night, on 3 in the night, if they get really stressed, they go on walks in the campus. Like our campus is really pretty, it has full greenery and all, so it's really peaceful to walk at night. But yeah, I kind of got a gist of what hostel life is. But yeah, I'm really happy to be at home also, I would say, because obviously my mom is like my support system. And kudos to all of you who are functioning without your parents. It's really not at all easy. I get it when I'm sick and all. I can't just handle how they manage themselves, take care of themselves. Like you would really need a person when you are sick to just be with you, be there with you. So I really hope you've got flatmates or friends who are there for you. And yeah, that's
Think if you
nice.
don't, then this is sound advice to get one. Become friends with your roommates. They are going to be there for you, and you are going to be there for them, right? And I think that's the beauty of sort of this entire experience of living out of home and getting out of your comfort zone. But more on that from Swarangi. Do you hate the hostel or do you hate the hostel?
I honestly love hostel life. I always wanted to get out of my house or even my state and live somewhere else and enjoy this. So I think I'm living my dream life and I love my roommate, which is Anushka. So yes, I'm having great time in hostel.
I think we've been really lucky to have found each other here because not everybody finds good people around. And we've really, really been lucky and we're really grateful for that.
That's wonderful. And the beauty of it is that none of you knew each other before you came to NIFT. I think the beauty of government colleges like NIFT is that kids from all across the country get a fair chance to get that exposure to study in these top premium institutes. But having said that, what is the campus like, Divya, for NIFT? What is the campus like for Hyderabad? And what is your favorite spot on the Hyderabad campus?
So I think Hyderabad campus is one of the most beautiful campuses of all the NIFTs. Like the area, like we can go on walks at night and it feels really nice. There are a lot of trees, a lot of greenery. So it like literally provides that creative environment where we can work and explore our creativity. And the campus life is pretty good. Like you're living in a colony and we have like apartments and we go to our workplace, we come back. It's very nice. I personally love this campus. Yeah.
He's created a whole colony and a whole village.
It
हम
feels
काम पे
like
जाते हैं, हम घर आते हैं, हमारा जिम वही है, हमारा इस्त्री वाला वही है, हमारा सब कुछ वही है.
and because like I think that if you live in hostel it's better because like when we get like free periods, so we just come to our room, we sleep and then we just go back. Even if we get like late to class, no problem, you can just wake up, brush your teeth and go, like rush to your class. So that is like a pro. Yeah.
That definitely is a benefit. And with NIFT, I think late nights are a huge part of the culture.
People don't sleep here. You wake up at 3 and you like hear people laughing, roaming around. No one sleeps here at night.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Is that by choice or is it because of the pressure of
No,
assignments?
no, I don't think that's a pressure, but yeah, it might be. Who knows?
Who knows? But having said that, this brings me to some interesting questions on those first few assignments that you had to do. How lost were you and what kind of a reality check was your review? First जो आपका semester assignment के reviews मिले थे, what was that experience like?
One of our subject that was self and society. I think that was the most stressful. I think everybody will agree. We had to go on the field visits, and actually, we were not very clear about the brief. Like, what exactly do we have to do? So it was very vague, and we didn't know what to do. So when we first went for the visit, and then we got some information, and then the teacher said, "This is not what I want. I want something else, पूरा अलग." तो हमें फिर से जाना पड़ा. Then again we came. Then again कुछ और inputs दे दिए. And then we were all like, कितनी बार जाना है और? But it was fun. It
But
was fun.
being a designer, this
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
prep
Right.
for the real world. Your
True,
customer
true, true.
will never tell you exactly what they want.
Well,
You have
yeah.
to figure it out.
I
And
think it was just frustrating because we weren't very familiar with the style of working. Because अभी तक तो बस रट्टा मारा है और books and ये सब. So maybe it was a difficult, मतलब थोड़ा सा difficult था, but it was interesting.
all right, all right. What else? Where did you feel कि भाई ये क्या assignment कैसे बनाना है, करना क्या है, submit क्या करना है, और फिर जब या लगा कि बहुत ही amazing बना दिया है और फिर आए तुम्हारे redos, ये क्या करा है तुमने? अच्छा, कितने लोगों को यहाँ redo मिला है? सच सच बता दो.
हाँ
ताकि
हाँ
ज्यादा
मिला
नहीं,
बहुत.
मतलब
सराहना को
फर्स्ट
मिला
सेम
है.
में तो ज्यादा नहीं मिले हैं ऑनेस्टली.
आपको नहीं मिले,
Little
बाकी
rest.
सारे हाथ
Yes,
उठा रहे हैं, उनको क्यों
yes.
शर्मिंदा कर रहे हो?
So in our first class of the first semester, our faculty gave us an assignment, and he said you all have to present that in the next class. And so all of us were new to this concept that we all have to present in front of the entire class, give a 10-15 minute brief about what you have done. So that was something new and interesting. But after that, we all became really confident. And jury में फिर डर नहीं लगा present करने.
What else? Does anybody else have any experiences?
Yeah, so this is a semester 2 subject, which is like creative thinking skills. So in that, it was a brainstorming assignment where we had to take a problem from roots and give actual solutions for it. So we've thought in the first, we thought that we will just provide solutions and that's it. But the faculty, she actually made us go through, like if we suggested a solution like making an app, she actually made us design an app, not in the coding part obviously, like the user interface and all of that. But we were shocked in the first place because we never knew UI UX and anything of that sort. But we did research about it. We just asked her for help. She was very happy to help also. Yeah, she was very happy to give us guidance and we had to brainstorm about this also. We gave her a lot of topics in which she suggested this would have a lot of scope for you to work on. So it was a problem about like fast fashion that we've taken upon, and we suggested an app and we gave it a name. We got into the color palette and all of that. So in Instagram you have influencers posting hauls and all of that, right? So in this app we would ask the same influencers to post their wardrobe, and whatever picture they've posted, they have to keep styling from that wardrobe itself for 1 year or some period of time, so that people get introduced to repeating looks and all, because these hauls have really forced us into buying more and more and all of that, and we are in that mindset. So we thought, let's change this. Let's ask people to influence others to wear more clothes and in a style better, and then you can get style guides and outfit links and all of that. And that was we didn't know that we were capable of doing that. So I'm really proud of that one, and I'm really thankful to my faculty also, because she was very serious and she was like, you actually have to do this in order to get that industry experience.
Nice. How about you, Anushka? What was your first jury experience like?
My first jury experience was fine. मतलब it wasn't इतना scary नहीं था जितना बता दिया गया था पहले से. Won't be able to go through with it or breakdowns and all. But it was fine. The only problem I had was I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep at all. So before my jury was around 4:30, and हमको सुबह 9 बजे से बुला दिया था. तो I started sleeping on the floor because नींद ही नहीं थी. तो otherwise it was fine. Whatever criticism they gave, it was very constructive. हाँ हाँ. जो ऐसे शॉकर था वो ये था कि जब पहली बार यहाँ आए एंड देन वी वर गिवन असाइनमेंट्स, वी पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, और लग रहा है ये तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, बहुत टाइम दिया है हार्ड वर्क. एंड व्हेन वी वेंट टू द क्लास, एग्जैक्टली लाइक द सेम थिंग आधी क्लास ने कर रखा है. सेम चीज करी है सबने, बिकॉज you don't actually think through with it. You will be first idea, second idea, you'll go through with it. आप उससे ज्यादा सोचोगे नहीं. तो अब सेकंड सेमेस्टर तक आते आते now we know कि it's okay. We need to research more about things.
Correct, correct. It's something that I tell my kids in the academy. The first rule of designing is reject the first 5 ideas, because the rest of the world is thinking of those 5 ideas at the same time, right? And if you let go of the first 5 is when you actually start thinking. But कई बार कभी ऐसा हुआ है that while you're working on your projects or assignments, especially in group assignments, right? You have a conflict with your group members where you sort of are trying to get everyone to work together, but वो नहीं हो रहा है. सबकी गर्दनें हिल रही है यहाँ पे, ये बहुत दर्द है.
सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि सबको टाइम पे साथ में लेके आना. अगर कोई टाइम दिया है तो उस पे आ जाओ, डेट डिसाइड करिए, इस पे आ जाओ. सबसे बड़ी चीज वही होती है, वही प्रॉब्लम है. लोग मिलेंगे नहीं तो उसके स्टेप 2 तक पहुंचते ही नहीं, क्योंकि स्टेप 1 ही नहीं हो रहा है.
That is so true. That is so true. And there's always, I think, there's always this one kid in a group जिसको जबरदस्ती फैकल्टी डालते हैं तुम्हारे ग्रुप में क्योंकि वो काम नहीं करता है या करती है. तो दे वांट कि तुम्हारे साथ रहेगा तो वो कम से कम तुम काम करा दो. दिव्या इज वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस. शी इज कॉन्स्टेंटली नॉडिंग. व्हाई इज दैट, दिव्या? किसकी याद आ रही है तुम्हें?
So we had a subject जिसमें we had to make पेयर में काम करना था. So we had to make a model पूरा. I had a horrible experience. Like we had our presentation the next day, and I pushed my partner to let's do this, let's start with it. And we started the day before at the night, and we somehow completed it like till 4 a.m. Obviously, I did a lot of work there, but credit तो दोनों को ही मिला, so that was
वो बड़ा दर्द होता है ना,
yes.
जब स्प्लिट हो जाता है क्रेडिट, वो बड़ी तकलीफ होती है यार। मेहनत तो हमने करी थी, नंबर सबको सेम मिल रहे हैं।
एंड आई मैंने मुझे लेसन मिल गया उसके बाद से, आई विल इफ आई गेट द चांस टू चूज द पार्टनर्स, आई ओनली गो विद द पीपल आई हैव गुड connections with, because that is a horrible experience.
All right. Now, I know that there are a lot of juicy experiences that you would have all had, right? In NIFT in the last 1 semester, 2 semesters, or 3 semesters. Why don't all of you share one such experience with us? Something very, very exciting, which really tells all our viewers and all our design aspirants कि ओ भाई ये भी होता है NIFT में.
I think there's this culture in NIFT, after parties, drinking, alcohol, smoking. Oh my god. Like I expected that, but बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे. Like we had Onam के लिए भी after party. Every event has its after party. Or we
Oh.
had an experience. So I watched one of our hostelites, and she was out of her senses. Like उसको कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है, and it was like a shock for me to see, because I've never seen a drunk person before. And after that, I decided I am not going to these parties until and unless I have a trustful person with me. Ki agar if something goes wrong, I have someone to handle. So I've never gone to any after party.
I did not know this, that there's now a culture for an after
Yeah.
party after events.
In
Oh,
Hyderabad, we have it a lot.
We
Oh,
also had Janmashtami's after party, so it's very
is
एंड आफ्टर पार्टी की भी आफ्टर पार्टी होती है कि एक आफ्टर पार्टी होगी उसके बाद अलग पार्टी है.
filtration लगे जा रहा है हर लेवल पे
I
ऐसा.
feel it's
So
like an excuse to go and party, because ये event में बहुत मेहनत कर लेते हैं, and then they want to just relax and enjoy. So whatever the event is, we have that after party thing which is circulated in the groups. And
All right, awesome. Does anyone else have anything juicy about NIFT Hyderabad that your juniors should be knowing when they come?
think DJ nights after every event, और like randomly अगर ऐसे लगा कि इस महीने में DJ night नहीं हुई है तो सेंटर स्क्वायर पे DJ लगता है, सब नाचते हैं, सब मजे करते हैं.
Oh,
एंड
that's
मतलब
fun.
लास्ट टाइम तो जूरी से पहले, मतलब जूरी के लिए कुछ दिन बचे हैं, तो अब लास्ट इवेंट करना है सेमेस्टर का, तो डीजे नाइट रख दी है, सब आ जाओ मजे करो, जूरी भी करनी है अभी. तो ये सब होता है. तो दोनों होता है, काम भी होता है, मजे भी होते हैं. यू डोंट ऑलवेज हैव टू गो टू आफ्टर पार्टी टू एंजॉय. कॉलेज में भी सेफ स्पेस में डीजे नाइट्स होती है विच आर फन. एंड या
and it
That's
is
fun.
good enough to release all the stress. मतलब बस कैसे भी सब नाच रहे हैं और ऐसे लग रहा है कि सबका स्ट्रेस निकल रहा है एकदम.
Since we brought up the topic of seniors, कितने लोगों की यहाँ पे रैगिंग हुई है? क्या निफ्ट में रैगिंग सच में होती है?
No, we
चिल है.
actually have really, really good seniors, fortunately.
Yeah,
Yeah, really good seniors.
that's wonderful. So you've never been ragged.
no, the like campus faculty and everyone is very strict against ragging. होती है, I'm not gonna say zero, it's zero, but it's very friendly. We have fun. We have a thing called departmental intro. So they give us a theme to dress up. Each semester, each year का एक होता है theme dress up करने का. Like went wrong was our theme, and then we all semesters of our department get together, and then we give the introduction हम कहाँ से है, and then maybe they'll ask you to sing or dance, and then it's cute. And also एक चिट दिया था हमें, और हमें सीनियर का नाम मिला था एक, and I had to ask that senior out, like went on my knees and asked her out to come to me with the intro. It was really fun.
Oh,
And it's a serious thing, like every department gives this cute fun departmental intro.
That's
And
wonderful.
I think there's one more, like a little shock. Like people here, the seniors are very friendly. So I see first years sitting in a group, eating together with seniors, and like seniors cheering up their juniors. They're like, it's like a friend group. So that was like really nice. Okay, you don't feel that intimidate, energy from your seniors.
That's wonderful. Yeah, that's wonderful. And this has been so great. I have, not visited a lot of NIFT centers, but every time we do these calls, I feel like I'm visualizing your centers and feeling the vibe of it through you guys. So thank you so much for doing this, not just for me, but for everyone else who would be seeing this and manifesting that life, for themselves in the future. Thank you so much, everyone.